Hello, YouTube. Thanks for watching. Edward here. Just want to shoot this quick Facebook Mastery review. Okay, this is a review on our new course that we've been given access to. This is Facebook Group Mastery, and this is really, really valuable, guys. I was given access to this about a week ago, and when I first saw it, I thought absolutely, gold, because I went through the first few videos and thought, my goodness, I've actually been using a lot of these tips and tricks on a minor scale and had phenomenal results. So I'm going to crank this up and and duplicate what this person is teaching us, because this person, I was actually given access to this course by a gentleman by the name of Scott Claisen here. I met this guy in Tennessee, in Nashville, in the United States about 2 years ago, and I highly respect his judgment on this. I mean, obviously it's free, so go in and have a look, check it out, start going through some of the videos, and you'll see that this is absolutely gold. And I recognize this guy very well. I've seen him around on Facebook, and I know he has a lot of credibility. I've seen some of his videos in the past, and this is what this guy does when he markets his business. He is a top income earner in multiple companies, but his current primary business, he's put in over 800 people. These are paid members into his current primary business in the last 9 months. So this guy really does know what he's talking about. He doesn't use funnels. He doesn't use sales pages. He doesn't use capture pages or anything like that. He doesn't even build a mailing list. You'll love what he teaches, because he uses the very platform that most of us are on a daily basis. And, he finds this a lot easier, and I agree with him. I think that setting up a Facebook group versus managing a mailing list is a lot easier. And now, if you've been on the sidelines, if you're a complete newbie and you thought, I've got to set up a mailing list because that's what everyone's telling me to do, I would absolutely advise, first of all, just set yourself up with a Facebook group. To be honest, it's actually a lot easier to manage, and you're going to be sure to get a lot more attention, a lot more engagement in that group than you do with your mailing list. I mean, I agree, set yourself up with a mailing list if that's what you want to do. And definitely a lot of people recommend that. And I have a mailing list and I'm growing, but I still know the facts. I mean, in 2018, which is where we are right now, I see a lot more engagement in my groups that I own and that I manage than I do with the mailing lists that I own and manage. And I find it a lot easier. I can get away with posting a few lines of text into my group and getting a lot of engagement. And I know that a lot more people are going to see that post. But if I post a few lines of text and I just send it out on a mailing list, I'm going to get very little engagement. Now, I know that you can crank things up if you work hard and do things. But I think for the same amount of effort, you're going to get a lot more results managing a Facebook group. And it's a lot easier as well. So go ahead and set yourself up with a Facebook group, get into this course, get on the link below and get excited, because this is free training and I'm just giving out a free gift here. The link's below. Get in, check it out and see for yourself. Okay, look forward to working with you. Okay, links below, guys. Check it out and see you on the inside. Bye for now.